Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that you will be happy and enjoying a healthy life. Viewers, today's video will consist of small clips of activities and updates from last 2 weeks, such as harvesting of few winter vegetables and update of those summer seedlings which we have planted 15 days ago. So let's start with the first week's update of summer vegetable seeds. Here are potato plants. We planted 7 seeds and you can see 100% germination. They sprouted actually within first 3 days. And now what you can see is the result of 8 days. I have covered them with a piece of mesh wire to protect them from birds and cats. Later in this video, I will show you their further growth. In this tray, we have planted old seeds of bitter gourd, apple gourd and honeydew melon. Only honeydew melon sprouted nicely and you can see 100% germination. Others did not show any result. Here are apple gourd seeds, new seeds. 3 only germinated out of 9. And now we have bottle gourd. Only 2 germinated out of these 6. Then there is no sign of germination in watermelon seeds. Here we have planted 5 new seeds of zucchini and or you can say marrow, and see how nicely they all germinated. 100% germination we got, and now healthy saplings are ready. So this zucchini I am planning to plant today actually. Here we have bitter gourd, new seeds, but they did not sprout yet. So let's transplant this. I have already prepared the pots for them. And how to prepare the soil and pot for vegetables, if you want to know it in detail, you can watch my video. I will add the link in description and in I button as well. You can see they are nicely grown roots. And when we are transplanting the seedlings, we should remove the mother leaves, which are not true leaves for the plants, and always shift the sapling or seedling after getting 3 true leaves for the plant, so that it can survive well. It will have better chances for survival. Okay, I will transplant them, and meanwhile I will talk to you about some important points. Like now till last week of March, we can transplant the seedlings easily, and after that the temperature will be too much for these tiny seedlings and they will not be able to survive in that heat of April, which will exceed 30 degrees. And secondly, I'm planning that I will shift all the seedlings which will be ready by March end, and then I will discard the other ones. I will not put in much effort to save these small seedlings and then transplant them in April, because this is really difficult in those hotter months to make them survive and to take care of them. In fact, if we'll plant now, they will be mature enough and then they can survive the heat. Mainly these are all vines, so having 2 to 3 vines of each vegetable would be more than enough if we can take care of them properly. And another important point is that it is the right time to start preparing for shade in your garden. If you have to do it through a vine or a net, whatever it is, just start preparing for that. I am also preparing for that. Inshallah, soon I will share that video with you. Okay viewers, now we will harvest the winter vegetables first, and then I will show you the next update, means the second week's update of summer vegetable seeds. So finally, today is the time to harvest these carrots. We planted them in December or probably last week of November. I am expecting some fruit under that. Let's see. Uh-oh, they are still small. It's okay, no problem, but anyways we have to remove them because we cannot leave them anymore. Their leaves got infected by small aphids. I don't want that infection to spread here and there. And then we need some space for summer plants also, so anyways we have to remove them. We will remove them all. Even they are bite size, but their color shows that they would be sweet in taste. Anyways, I am happy that at least I got the fruit. It was my experimental vegetable which I planted in winters. I have never tried carrots and radish before, but today I am going to harvest both of them. This has quite better size. See, I cannot see that they had the problem with space because it's quite a big pot, and then the soil was also loomy soil. I was taking care of water also. Yes, it can be the problem that maybe their seed was old, very old actually. This was 6 years old seed. And one more reason can be there, that we did not use any chemical fertilizer for these vegetables. Maybe that's the reason that size is small. Even I did not try radish before, so now I am not expecting a very good result for radish also. So now let's harvest radish also. And here in between we have broccoli plants also, but small and immature plants I will remove. I have to free this space also for, see, again they are just bite size. Anyways, we have to remove it and free this space for summer vegetables, because here I wanted to plant a few vines. I will just leave this mature broccoli plant and rest all I will remove from here. At least this one is a good size. See, again, it's very difficult to find out the reason, because some are big, some are small. If the reason was old seed, then how some are big? I mean, I couldn't get it. If you have an idea, please leave the comment about it. Anyway, I am happy and thankful to Almighty for these carrots and radishes. Otherwise, growing a single leaf is not in our hands. Okay viewers, before moving on to the next update, I want to show you this experiment. You must have seen these bottles in my previous videos. I have actually removed the cap of it as an experiment. All of them were capped like this. I removed the first cap from this bottle just to see what happens, because its mint stems were going inside the neck of the bottle. I could see this. So I just wanted to give them a room to grow outside, and it was successful. Now I have removed it from all the bottles and they started extending their growth outside from this neck side. I mean from the mouth of the bottle. See, every bottle has extended growth now, and I'm very happy with this experiment. If you are growing something in bottles, then please give it a try. It was very good and quite exciting to see this. Now let's come to the second week's update for summer vegetables. Now these are 2 weeks old potato plants, and it's time to add a thick layer of soil in it. I am using this potting mix here. You can add soil, you can add, let me use my hand because the stems are very delicate. You can add soil or fertilizer or homemade potting mix or potting soil, whatever, but it should be a thick layer. Not necessary only you will add fertilizer. Actually be careful while adding the fertilizer, because this plant is too young and too delicate to add fertilizer right now. But every 15 days or every 3 weeks we have to keep on adding a thick layer in potato plants to keep the potatoes protected and to support the stems. And whatever you are adding, please add it carefully, delicately, without disturbing the new stems or new shoots which are coming out. Here is the second week update of zucchini plant. We have transplanted 5 seedlings in the pots last week, which I have shown you earlier in this video. Now they are doing well, and even few of them have started showing the buds, or you can say flowers also. These are Tinda or apple gourd seedlings. They are still 3, others did not germinate, but these ones which germinate started producing flowers also. Wow, that's nice. So soon we will transplant these ones also. And next we have bottle gourd. Bottle gourd, two of them are doing well. I have removed their true leaves, sorry, their mother leaves, because they were infected by leaf miners, so I've removed them. And here, watermelon did not show any sprouting yet. I don't think so they will work. These were old seeds actually. Next is bitter gourd. Two of them germinated. Bitter gourd takes longer time than others. It germinated. Watermelon did not. That's why I'm not very hopeful for watermelon. So we will give it time to produce more leaves. And here we have honeydew melon, which I showed you last time also. They have matured enough. These seedlings should be transplanted now. So inshallah soon I will transplant these seedlings also, probably within next week, and meanwhile they will get a little matured, and I will prepare space for them. Inshallah I will share that video also with you. Till then, take care, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.